Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. How to delete individual search history on YouTube. Log into your Google account. Go to myactivity.google.com. Click on YouTube History. Make sure YouTube History is turned on. Click on Manage History. Scroll down and click on the X icon next to the search history you want to delete. You can search for specific searches you have made using the search icon. Click on the X icon again to delete the search history. This is how you can delete individual search history on YouTube. Thank you for watching.